For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Each part of the brain controls different functions. As such, the symptoms of brain tumor depends on the location of the tumor. Symptoms not only depend on the location but also its growth rate. Persistent headaches with projectile vomiting and seizures or fits are symptoms you need to watch out for. Blurring vision, loss of consciousness, and unexplained confusion can also be telling signs. Brain tumor can also impact hearing ability and sexual functioning. Nanocancerous, or commonly known as benign tumors, are not malignant tumors. They are relatively harmless unless they press into vital structures like blood vessels or nerves. Cancerous tumors, on the other hand, can spread to other parts of the body and on rare occasions recur after treatment. Primary brain tumors are tumors that originate in the brain, while secondary brain tumors begin in other parts of the brain and travel to the brain. Only around 5 to 10% of all cancers are genetically inherited. Consult a doctor if several people in your family have been diagnosed with brain cancer. Risk of getting most types of brain tumors also increase with age. Exposure to cancer-causing chemicals is a common work hazard, which is a risk factor for brain cancer. The treatment for brain tumor depends on its size, type, location, and the health of the patient. The most common treatment for malignant brain tumor is surgery. At times, surgery is combined with other treatments like radiation therapy and chemotherapy. Brain tumor can develop in parts of the brain that control motor functions, vision, thinking, and so on. Because of this, post-treatment rehabilitation is a necessity for all patients. Post-surgery, the recovering patient is introduced to physical therapy, occupational therapy, and speech therapy, depending on what assistance is needed by the patient. Complementary therapy like music therapy, meditation, exercise, art therapy, etc. can help the patient cope with brain tumor treatment and the disease itself. These treatments should not be substituted for medical treatment, and the doctor should be consulted before undertaking any such treatment.